Hey guys, ncvikefan here again. Today I did one box break of '09 Rookies and Stars and 3 more boxes of '09 Threads. First, my hits in Rookies and Stars. I actually got 2 from my PC. It's a dual jersey of Hakeem Nicks and Rhett Bomar, numbered to 299. A nice 2-color, 3-color break patch Hakeem Nicks. That's numbered to 50. And Jason Smith autographed jersey with the Rams, numbered to 100. And a Ray Malaluga autograph, numbered to 100. Okay, my Threads. What's up, Viking cheerleaders? My Threads, I got a Donovan McNabb jersey, numbered to 250. Anthony Gonzalez jersey, numbered to 250. A Jim Brown dual jersey, numbered to 50. A dual jersey of Matthew Stafford and Noshawn Moreno. That's numbered to 500. And a 1-color patch Darius Hayward-Bay, numbered to 25. And a pretty sick 2-color dual patch of Hines Ward and Santonio Holmes, numbered to 50. And my autographs, Lewis Murphy, numbered to 299. Got a couple cards from my Panthers PC. Charles Godfrey, which he was a rookie last year. His autographed Gridiron King, numbered to 300. And this guy's looking really good. Mike Goodson autograph for the Panthers, numbered 399. Jason Smith Letterman for the Rams, numbered to 250. Got another Brian Robisky Letterman, numbered to 200. And my best hit by far, numbered to 50, autographed jersey Mark Sanchez. And that's all I got for you today. Check out the Viking cheerleaders one more time. They're about as sweet as that Sanchez card. Alright, appreciate it.